Hello viewers, this is Jubi Saikia and you're watching My News Any. In a politically significant visit to strife throne in Manipur, BJP in Northeast in charge Chambit Patra today held a 2-hour closed-door meeting with former Chief Minister N. Biren Singh at his residence. Here we are bringing you the full details. BJP Northeast in charge Chambit Patra met N. Biren Singh privately. Patra visited MLAs and speaker across Imphal. Helicopter visit to Churachandpur district conducted. Zomi leaders submitted memorandum to Patra. 21 MLAs urge end to President's rule. Yes, viewers, in a politically significant visit to strife throne Manipur, BJP Northeast in charge Chambit Patra today held a 2-hour closed-door meeting with former Chief Minister N. Biren Singh at his Luangsangbang residence. The meeting, attended by several MLAs, marked a key development as calls intensify for the restoration of a popular government in the state. The visit comes in the backdrop of the ongoing ethnic tensions and President's rule imposed on February 13 following Biren Singh's resignation. Patra's initiative reflected a strategic outreach across ethnic and political lines. After returning from Churachandpur, the epicenter of ethnic violence between Meitei and Kuki communities, Patra met Manipur Assembly Speaker Tokchom Satyavarta at his residence. He then convened with several key legislators, including Sanasam Premchandra, Karam Siam L. Suhindro, Awanbo Nemai and Lochi Deko at Hotel Imphal. Earlier in the day, Patra flew to Churachandpur by helicopter where he met BJP MLA Vungazin Valte, who remains wheelchair bound after surviving a brutal mob attack in May 2023. The two engaged in a private 30 minutes discussion at his residence. Patra also held talks with Churachandpur MLA LM Khaute and received a memorandum from the Zomi Students Federation. Despite widespread media interest, Patra described his visit as unofficial. However, political observers suggest that the meeting are a part of BJP's internal assessment to chart a path forward in the volatile state. The visit comes shortly after 21 Manipur MLAs, including 13 from the BJP, wrote to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah, urging the restatement of an elected government to restore peace and normalcy. Manipur has witnessed over 260 deaths due to ethnic violence since May 2023, leaving deep political and social features in this wake. Yes, viewers, BJP Northeast in charge Chambit Patra today met with former Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh for over 2 hours during a high-stakes visit to the troubled state. The closed-door meeting at Singh's residence occurred immediately after Patra returned from Churachandpur district, where ethnic tensions remain high. Sources confirm several MLAs attended the private discussion with the former Chief Minister. Following the meeting, Patra visited Speaker Tokchom Satyabrama at his residence before engaging with multiple legislators at Hotel Imphal, including Sanacham Premchandra, Karam Siam L. Suhindro, Awadi Niwai, Lochi Deko and others. Earlier, Patra traveled by helicopter to Churachandpur, where he met with Thanlon BJP MLA, who had been confined to a wheelchair since surviving a mob attack during the outbreak of the ethnic violence in May 2023. The two held a 30-minute private discussion at Velte's residence after Patra inquired about the legislator's health. During his Churachandpur visit, Patra also met with Churachandpur MLA LM Khaute and received a memorandum from leaders of the Zomi Students Federation. When questioned by reporters about his visit purpose, Patra described it as unofficial. The BJP leaders' extensive meeting across ethnic lines come amid increasing political pressure to resolve Manipur's crisis. Just days earlier, 21 MLAs including 13 from BJP wrote to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah urging them to form a popular government to replace President's rule which was imposed February 13 after Biren Singh's resignation. It needs to be mentioned that Manipur has been suffering from ethnic violence between Meitei and Kuki communities since May 2023, resulting in over 260 deaths. That's all for now. For further updates, keep watching My News NE.